acquiring knowledge. When you are starting acquiring knowledge, go to the hadith of Rasul. Utlubul ilm min al-mahdi ila al-lahd. You start acquiring knowledge from the time of birth till your last and final breath. Ila lahdin, ila lahdi, ila cradle, till your cradle. But there are the people, they are qualified, they are learned before their birth. So Quran is saying, Ar-Rahman, Allama al-Quran. Allah taught them Quran. You know what is the meaning of Quran? Once again, you go to the Surah Al-Iqra. Quran, the common letter between Quran and Iqra is Qaf, Re, Alif. Qaf, Re or Hamza. Which is derived, Quran is derived from word Qara'at. Qara, read. And the meaning of Quran is the book which was read before. The meaning of Quran is the book which was read before. We all are reading Quran. From the time of the revelation till today, thousand of the time, million of the time, people, they recited Quran, they read Quran. But the first time when the Quran was read, why we are calling? From the first day, that book is known as Quran. From the first day when it compiled, that book is known as Quran. If from the first day that book is known as Quran, why? Either not, the name is wrong. No, name is right. That name is given by whom? That name is given by Allah. If Allah given this name, so that means absolutely right. There is no approximate. Absolutely right. If it is absolutely right, Quran, the book which was read before. So now the question arises, if it was read before, so who read the Quran? Who is the beginner of the recitation of the Quran? So now you see, Hadith is saying, Utlubul ilm min al-mahdi ila al-lahd. Now you look, Isa, 3 days old. Isa, 3 days old. Only a sentence. 2 verses. Inni Abdullah, Atani al-kitab, wajalani nabiya. I'm not going to translate. Already translated. Saving your time, saving my time. Now, Imam Ali, he is 3 days old. But that time, mother of Isa, Allah said, leave my house. Allah is saying, leave my house. Now the time of the birth of Ali, mother of Hazrat Ali, she came, she arrived. Door are closed. Door are closed. So now, if she is returning, history cannot say anything, because if she was inside and she was ousted by Allah, so we can say Maryam and Fatima bint Asad both are equal. But the door was closed. She can move. She prayed to Allah. Thereafter she was returning. She was returning. Now calls came. But the call from Allah, both call were from Allah. But the difference was that call was for Hazrat Maryam, leave my house. But that call for Fatima bint Asad, come inside. How comes? Door is closed. Allah made another special new door for Bibi Fatima bint Asad, mother of Amir al-Mu'minin Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wasalam. Recite salawat louder. Allah opened the gate. She goes in. But now issue is that after 3 days, now Imam Ali, he is in the lap of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He started reciting all holy books. Zabur, it was already revealed. Of course it was miracle. Of course, no doubt. It was miracle. Because child never spoke except Isa. Except the small child who had been in the cradle and gave witness in the favor of Hazrat Yusuf. Only happened twice. But those were only 1 or 2 sentences, not more. But now the child today, he started reciting holy books. Number 1, Zabur, Taurat, Injil. Okay, all were revealed. All were revealed. But still Quran was not revealed by Allah. Still Quran was not revealed by Allah. Where it was? The issue is that where Quran was? It was in the Lawh Mahfuz. But the Ali, the 3 days old child who is in the lap of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. He is in the lap of Rasul. And the Quran is in the Lawh Mahfuz. Either one small ayat of the Quran was not revealed. But thereafter, that child is asking for permission. Ali, you may continue. You may read. But before the recitation of Quran, he is asking permission from Rasul. Why? Because he is saying, see, that Quran, it will reveal to the chest of Rasul. So now I am asking permission from him. Whether you allow me to recite. He is saying, of course, Ali, you start reading. So for that reason, we are saying, Quran, it has two revelation. One revelation was complete. Another in the stages, the complete was in the Lawh Mahfuz. And from Lawh Mahfuz to the chest of Rasul. And Ali recited complete. Now, Ali is 3 days old. Rasul is 30 years old. Still today, Rasul has not declared him as a prophet. But now when he completed the recitation of Quran, everybody, when he is reciting Quran in Dawra, when we are teaching you Quran, inshallah, there will be the special class for youth also. There will be special class for our children also. And inshallah, with your cooperation, please. This is my humble request to you all. And I'll tell you one more thing. This is call from me. If it will be positive answer from you, of course, we both will get sawab. Both will get sawab. And no one will be answerable to Imam of our time. No one will be answerable to our Allah. But if I tries, or if response is low, if response is not positive, if response is not constructive, of course, till today, it is overwhelming, of course, no doubt. You people are busy, but thereafter you are coming. Good. I'm appreciating you. I'm pleased with you. But I need your cooperation. Without your cooperation, I cannot do tabligh, because tabligh, whether you talk about the classes, for class, teacher is not only enough. Teacher needs student. If teacher and student are there, they need books. If there are book and student and teacher, thereafter they need classes. So now you look, book is Quran, teacher are Ahlul Bayt, and we are continuing the mission of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam. And brother, if it is, so with your cooperation it will be possible. So what happened? Imam recited Quran completely. But what I am telling to you, when a person is reciting Quran, just our children, mashallah, very good. This is very good sign. First day, Maulana read this dua, that dua, everything you. That means one man show. That means only Maulana, he has to do everything. Of course, Maulana can, Maulana could. But what is the role of our brothers? I'll tell you. Because see, if I am only reciting and reading everything, so you are in the impression, okay, I'll go late, because see, Maulana will read Dua Kumail, Maulana will read this dua, Maulana will read Ziyarat and everything. And Maulana will pray and Maulana will go to his house. Finish. You come and close the gate. For that reason, why we open the center? We open the center to acquire knowledge, to spread the knowledge, to propagate true Islam, real Islam, and teaching of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam. See, we are living in this world where the people they are talking about, of course, sometimes really our approach is not right. So sometimes we are saying, it's extravagant. But I am also telling you, if there is a big center without any teaching and knowledge, of course, it will be one kind of the extravagant. But if you come and acquire the knowledge, so nothing will be better than this. So best thing is to come. So what happened? When a child is reciting dua, thereafter we are saying, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. What we are saying, Ahsantum, it encourages him. But we are saying Ahsantum. When a person is reciting dua and tasbih or whatever, we are saying Ahsan. In the lap of Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he completed the recitation of the Quran. Once he completed, Rasul is not saying Ahsantum. Rasul is not saying Ahsantum. If Rasul is saying Ahsantum, so thereafter Ali is a student, of course, no doubt. But at the same time, Rasul is saying, Ana walim min nuri wahid. Me and Ali, they both are part of the Noor. We both. So now when he completed, then Rasul is saying, Saddaqta ya Ali. Oh Ali, whatever you recited, whatever you read, it was completely truth. It was absolutely truth. It was absolutely haqq. So that means still today, haqq was not introduced. Last few sentences of my English lecture. Still today, still the day when Ali recited Quran, haqq was not introduced by our Rasul. So people, they were not aware what is haqq. People, they were not knowing what is truth. But when he recited, Rasul is saying, Saddaqta ya Ali. Oh Ali, your recitation was right. No, he's saying, oh Ali, you are truthful. And it was the truth. What you read, your recitation is truth. Your reading is truth. You yourself is truth. How comes you yourself is truth? How come you yourself is truth? Look, after a few years, Ali is not small. After a few years, Ali is not 3 days old. After a few years, when Ali is young, and before the wafat of our Rasul, now Rasul is saying, that day he said, Saddaqta ya Ali, oh Ali, you are the truth one. Now when he completed his age, and now he's young, and our Rasul before his wafat is saying, Aliun mal haq, wal haqqu ma Ali. Now we understand what is haq. From the time of his birth, when he recited Quran, Rasul is saying, Saddaqta ya Ali. It was a tasdeeq from Rasul. Verification by him, verified by him. One more thing, and I'll complete. So what happened? Quran is the book which was read before. And the first time it was read by our Rasul, our first Imam, Amirul Mu'minin, Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salatu wasalam. So Muslim and Imam, the difference between these two. Imam who can read the book from Lawh-e Mahfuz. Imam can read the book from Lawh-e Mahfuz. And Muslim, he is the one waiting either at the time of Muslim, time of our Rasul. Muslim, after our Rasul for few years, when the Quran was not compiled. They are waiting whether the Quran is compiled. When complete, thereafter they can read the Quran. Otherwise they cannot. But the Imam, he can read from the Lawh-e Mahfuz. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. مل جل کر صلوات پڑھیں بآواز بلند. یقیناً یا یقیناً یہاں کا مجمع باشعور ہے, کیونکہ پہلے چند دنوں اگر میں ریکویسٹ کی تو آج مجھے کہنے کی ضرورت نہیں پیش آئی, کیونکہ خود بخود لوگ آگے بڑھائے. اچھا ایک چیز ہے, کبھی کہہ کے کام کرایا جاتا اور کبھی کبھی لوگ کچھ کام کر کے دوسروں کو میسج دے دیتے ہیں کہ ہم نے یہ کر لیا ہے, تم کیوں نہیں کر رہے ہو. ہم نے یہ نیکی کر لی ہے, اس کار خیر کو تم بھی انجام دے لو. اس سے اور بہتر طریقہ اسلام میں یہی ہے کہ کہا نہ جائے بلکہ کر کے لوگوں کو پیغام دے دیا جائے کہ تمہیں بھی تو یہی کرنا چاہیے تھا جو ہم کر رہے ہیں. صلوات پڑھیں بآواز بلند. اور بڑا اچھا سوال تھا بچے کا کہ مولانا ممبر کے قریب بیٹھنے میں ثواب, محراب کے قریب رہنے میں ثواب, لیکن مولانا اگر سب کے سب آنے کی کوشش کرتے ہیں تو سب کو تو جگہ نہیں مل پاتی, سب کو تو جگہ نہیں مل پاتی. لیکن ابھی جگہ ہے, سب کو جگہ نہیں مل پاتی, کیونکہ کچھ دیر کے بعد جب یہ سلسلہ ہوگا اور یہ سوال اٹھے گا کہ آپ کو جگہ نہیں مل پاتی تو اس کا کیا کریں. تو میں ایک چیز بتا دوں, کوشش پر بھی قدرت نے اجر رکھا ہے, پہنچنے پر بھی اجر رکھا ہے. اگر آپ نے پہنچنے کی کوشش کی لیکن آپ کے پہنچنے سے پہلے جگہ پر ہو چکی تھی تو خداوند تعالیٰ اس کا اجر دیتا ہے کہ اس بندے خدا نے کوشش کی تھی. اس لیے کیونکہ میں حدیث کا جملہ بتا دوں, اس کے بعد میری بات آپ کی سمجھ میں آ جائے گی, کیونکہ میں اپنی باتوں کو اپنی باتوں سے